Hello viewers, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. I am Shamela and today I am making king fish fry, Seer fish fry. Vanjaram is one of the most popular and consumed seafood in South India. Unlike most other fishes, Vanjaram has a single center bone and easy to eat, and it's tasty, which marks its popularity. It is also called as the king of fishes. Now let's see how to make a tasty fish fry using Seer fish, I mean kingfish. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, red color a pinch. It's optional, you can skip this. Now give this a very nice mix. And now I'm going to place Vanjaram slice on a plate. Now apply this masala on the fish pieces using your fingers. Then keep it in the refrigerator and let it sit marinated for about 30 minutes or even overnight. You can fry them immediately after applying the masala also, but do not freeze it. And now I'm going to heat 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in a flat iron tawa. After it heats up, place the fish pieces over the pan and switch it to slow flame. And now I'm going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then flip the fish piece gently. Fry the other side for 2 to 3 minutes and flip again. Pour some more oil if you want. Check whether it's fried or not, then increase the flame on medium-high heat and cook for half a minute on both the sides. Then remove from the flame and serve hot immediately. Drizzle some lemon drops if you wish and enjoy. This one makes a good side dish for rice, and my favorite to pair this side dish is with rasam rice. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Stay safe, take care, and have a nice day.